Hello friends, today we are going to discuss section 10 of Civil Procedure Code. We discussed various provisions like the act is applicable to the suits of civil nature. Remember, section 10 talks about stay of suits. It means court will not try certain suits. There is a reason why they cannot try. The section 10 says court shall not try. Okay, it means first thing under section 10 trial of suit is not allowed. Here we are not talking about the institution of suit. Court shall not try any matter in which same parties, same subject matter or same matter in disputes is involved, whether substantial matter is involved or there is anything relating to that matter which is already pending in a competent matter in front of a competent court. So the meaning of section 10 कि any court shall not try any suit between the same parties on the same subject matter. In any competent court, the suit is pending. Okay, the subsequent suit will not be tried by the court. Okay, it means in a simple manner कि वाद का रोक दिया जाना. It means same parties, there is a suit for recovery of money between A and B. A is asking for the 10 lakh rupees as a debt he had given to him. For the recovery he filed a suit against B. So A and B इन दोनों के बीच में एक सूट पेंडिंग है for the recovery of money. A and B same parties, same subject matter, same relief is asked by one party. This suit is pending in Ahmedabad court. Okay, Ahmedabad civil court. A again filed the same suit for the recovery of 10 lakh rupees against B in the another competent court, another competent jurisdiction of a court in Rajkot. So the first suit, previous suit is instituted in Ahmedabad civil court. The subsequent suit is instituted in the Rajkot court. So in this case, Rajkot civil court will not try that court. You can institute suits as much as you want. A B के अगेंस्ट कितने ही कोर्ट में सूट फाइल कर सकता है, लेकिन जो A है सूट फाइल कर सकता है, लेकिन जो सब्सिक्वेंटली बाद वाले सूट हैं कोर्ट विल नॉट ट्राई द सेम सूट बिकॉज इन अ कॉम्पिटेंट कोर्ट between the same parties where the same subject matter with the same relief is asked is already pending in a competent court. तो यहाँ पे subsequent वाद को ट्राई नहीं किया जाएगा, चलाया नहीं जाएगा, वो रोक दिया जाएगा. ओके, तो सेक्शन 10 में जो क्रक्स है कि कोर्ट शैल नॉट ट्राई एनी मैटर बिटवीन द सेम पार्टीज डायरेक्टली और सब्सटेंशियली सेम सब्जेक्ट मैटर. ओके, in front of a competent court, then subsequent suit will not be tried by the court. This is the thing given under section 10. There is one explanation given under section 10 कि here suppose a suit is pending in a foreign court, we are not going to apply section 10. Between A and B there is a recovery suit of the 10 lakh rupees is pending in America, then it is not competent court or having jurisdiction. That's why in such a situation A can file a suit against B in any court of the Ahmedabad. It is not a bar. Okay, so here under section 10 trial of a suit is a bar. ओके, ट्राई नहीं किया जाएगा, इंस्टीट्यूट किया जाएगा. ए बी के अगेंस्ट रिकवरी के लिए 50 कोर्ट्स में सूट फाइल कर सकता है एट अ टाइम, बट ऑल 49 सूट्स shall not be tried by any of the court. This is the provision of section 10. So this is called stay of suit. Now coming to the section 11, res judicata. Okay, res judicata means a case where finally decided. Okay, court shall not try any suit between the same parties on the same subject matter where same relief is asked in front of a competent court where previous court, previous competent court who was having jurisdiction have finally decided the matter. सेक्शन 10 को जब हम बात करते हैं वो बात करता है स्टे ऑफ सूट कि प्रीवियस सूट इज पेंडिंग इन अ कॉम्पिटेंट कोर्ट एंड व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट सेक्शन 11 इट इज रेस जुडिकेटा ओके कि द प्रीवियस सूट इज फाइनली डिसाइडेड. जब एक सूट ऑलरेडी डिसाइड हो चुका है बिटवीन द सेम पार्टीज ऑन द सेम सब्जेक्ट मैटर वेयर द सेम रिलीफ वाज आस्क्ड okay and the subject matter is directly or substantially same in both of the suits and previous suit is finally decided. सेक्शन 10 में ये पेंडिंग था. सेक्शन 11 में हम कहते हैं कि इट इज नॉट पेंडिंग, इट इज फाइनली डिसाइडेड बाय द कोर्ट. तो इट शैल बी स्टॉप्ड. कोर्ट शैल नॉट ट्राई एनी अनदर मैटर. आप इंस्टीट्यूट कर सकते हैं लेकिन कोर्ट ट्राई नहीं करेगा. दिस इज द मीनिंग ऑफ सेक्शन 11. सेक्शन 10 का जो रूल है इट इज कॉल्ड रेस सब जुडाइस वेयर सेक्शन 10 is talking about where a suit is pending. So next suit, subsequent suit shall not be tried by the court. Under section 11, res judicata, previous suit is finally decided to stop the multiplicity of the judgments on the same matter. This is the object of section 11. एक ही तरह के मामले में कई जजमेंट मल्टीपल जजमेंट अलग अलग जजमेंट्स ना आए. दैट्स वाई दिस इज द मेन ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ सेक्शन 11. तो दैट्स वाई इट इज कॉल्ड रेस जुडिकेटा अंडर सेक्शन 11 एंड दिस इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट सेक्शन ऑफ द एंटायर CPC. रेस सब जुडाइस सेक्शन 10 where previous suit is pending, subsequent suit shall not be tried by the court. Res judicata, previous suit is finally decided, the court shall not try the subsequent suit. These are the basic difference between these sections. So it was section 10, section 11 of CPC. In next class we will discuss the next provisions. Thank you.